How to design French ombre nails with long stiletto shape. Let's start with acid-free primer on the natural nails. Apply the U-gel on the pre-roughened gel tips. Start at 45-degree angle near the cuticle. Gently press the gel down evenly to the free edge, aka the tip of the nail. Use the flash cure light to cure the gel between 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat the steps to a whole hand. Cure 60 seconds in the LED lamp. Refine the shape with a 150 grit hand file. Buff the nails, refine the cuticle and remove dust. Apply gel color. Cure 60 seconds in the LED lamp. Use the U-mat to create the mat for the ombre effect. Cure 60 seconds in the LED lamp. Create the ombre effect with a dipping powder. Seal with the U-Shine non-wipe gel top. Now, let's start to release your imagination. Use the U-Shine non-wipe gel top to seal and protect the artworks. Add rhinestones as desired. Cure the rhinestones with the USB flash cure light. Final cure in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. To learn more, visit us at mongup.com.